cargo to? There's darkness for you. You see the water slide hanging over the side of the ship. What? Oh. And this is Waterfront. Yeah. The Cavern, Liverpool. You want to see? Yes, it's a bar. Yes, it's a bar. It's pretty cool. Warm it up. Okay, all right. Interesting. There is so much on this ship.
Yeah.
Hello. Bar out here. The Cavern. It's another bar. Oh, that's yeah, the cigar room. Ooh, I can smell the cigars. All right. The humidor is what the room is called. Yep. The humidor. I'm sorry, we won't be going in there. So, there you go.
Ocean Blue.
Ocean Blue. There are so many restaurants. Venues, places, yeah.
Sitting areas.
Feels good to get out and walk,
We'll
though.
have to do the other side too, because there was another.
Yeah. Please see hostess inside for seating at Ocean Blue. Must be.
They have a lot more recycling things than Carnival does.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
Nice little sitting area outside where it's quiet. One thing I've noticed is there's not music playing constantly everywhere. I do appreciate that. Sometimes you just want a quiet place to go. I'll have to check those out tomorrow or some point. It's dark. Aft lobby and restrooms. There you go. We will walk to the other side of the ship. That's a little dulce gelato shop. Los Lobos is up here. We do have reservations there. That's what?
Is that the Mexican restaurant?
Yes.
It's amazingly quiet out here.
It's awesome. It was extremely loud in the dining room. I will say that.
Okay, so not too bad.
Ooh, it's windy. Oh, wow. You guys see the ship out there? Okay, this is where we came after muster. Woo! That's unnerving. See right down in there? Rob's gonna get us some great pictures of the ships out there. There's a couple of them. You can see down there is the bottom of the ship, the back aft. That's right. There you go. And then that ship way out there, which is just a dot for you. Yeah, there's one way out there. I wonder if that's Oasis or if that's Oasis. I don't know. Or it's Symphony. I keep saying Oasis, but it's Symphony.
And then,
Celebrity Equinox is
that's
right
gotta
out
be,
there.
Horizon back there. Because
Yeah.
it was the last to leave.
The Royals Symphony and then Horizon way back there. It's so hard to see in this camera, but in person you can clearly see.
That it's all lit up.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's the best part about, one of the best parts about sailing out of Florida is the ships that accompany you. Yeah. Yeah, all right, let's see if we can. That celebrity ship is lit up like Christmas out there. You're not missing that one. So we just walked around the front of the ship here. The back of the ship, excuse me. Aft. And here we are. I had to change batteries. Oh, look, it's changing color over there.
Oh, cool.
That's awesome. Wow. That's really cool. And then here's...
Good night.
See you later. And here is Cagney's Steakhouse, which we do have dinner reservations there. That's really cool, seeing that over there.
We'll have to try the Norwegian ship out of New Orleans and do the private island for Harvest Cay.
Okay.
If we turn it off, we actually enjoy it.
Yeah.
I don't see why we wouldn't.
Right. All right. So there we've gone again. We were in that trade winds, tax and duty free. We do need, like I said, need to find the salon.
Let's hit this and then we'll go back.
Yeah. And here is more. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yes, it works. It's the Celebrity Edge.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's the new one. So it's not the Equinox, it's the Edge.
Yeah, look at that. We're looking through the things you can see now. Thing. All right, I zoomed us in. There we go. That's really cool. We are looking through the viewfinder. That is the Celebrity Edge. That's the brand new one. And then we, whoops, sorry. All right, let me get a picture with my, we're looking through that. Okay, hold, there she is. Symphony of the Seas. That's really cool. Again. Yeah, we're looking through here.
Did you do the Edge?
Yeah, I did. I think that is so cool. That's a lot of fun. Awesome. Can't wait to get a screenshot of that. Send it to the kids.
Yes.
This place is called Sugar Canes.
It's a mojito bar.
Oh, a mojito bar. Oh, interesting. So you can get your mojito on. That's it. I just think it's so cool to see those ships. It's such a rare thing sailing out of Galveston. You're usually alone, or there's one ship but they go the other direction. There's the Margaritaville shop. Ooh. And another restaurant. Ah, La Cocina.
Olive oil on the tables.
Mmm, yummy.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
That's right. I don't don't think it would be a bad idea to have dinner on the waterfront. Alrighty. Ooh. Alright, this is called the District Brew House. Wow. Large. How do you get out of here? Aw, photo booth. On the different pictures. That's cool. That is cool. I guess you have to get out by this way.
Yep. And out here to the left.
Are those bullet casings?
Yeah, ammo shells.
Wow. Must be from like a shooting range or something. New Jersey boys. All right, so.
We need to find the spa now.
Yeah. All right, here's the pool deck in the evenings. And apparently Twinkle Twinkle's playing. Is this? Yep. Okay, we're gonna try the coffee.
Decaf?
Yes. Ooh, that's sweet.
More coffee?
go. Not terrible. It's very sweet because I put 1 packet of sugar in it. Whew. Much better. Put more coffee in it, took the sweetness away. There we go. It's from the buffet. Water and tea. What kind of tea do they have?
Hot chocolate. English breakfast.
Earl Grey. Orange. Mint.
Decaf.
Decaf. Oh, cinnamon. Apple.
Regular. Green tea.
Interesting.
Mint. Orange.
Nice. Okay. That pizza, honey. Okay, there's that. Interesting. And the fixings. Pasta salads, broccoli salad. Oh, yum. Apples, apples. Little pizza. Rob's gonna try a slice. You gonna try some?
Yeah, bread.
Lots of different breads. Ice cream. Cream of cauliflower. Ooh, interesting. No, but in the dining room it tasted pretty much like it. They enjoyed it. It was different, but they enjoyed it. The French onion soup.
Oh, wow.
You don't want to try that?
Sure.
I want to try it.
I'm gonna grab a drink.
Okay. Salad. All right, let's come over here. All the different desserts. Wow. Scones. Well, I think we'll have to come back when it's not so busy. Let's go find Robert. There's that. Look, and your silverware is on your table. That's convenient. Especially when you forget it. How is it?
Very good.
Good, I'm glad. Looks very good.
Because that's the one drawback of Pizza Pirate is there's not enough cheese, and they put enough cheese on this one.
Good, I'm glad. Can you open that real quick and so we can see what's in it? Just a pretzel. Oh, that looks so good. I would devour that.
It's good. It needs to be warm though.
Oh, is it cold? That stinks.